It's time to start on some fun foliage.
And this is out of the cardboard boxes, but what I had them do is we laid this out right on the crease here. And what we're doing is we're going to be layering it, so when we paint these, it's going to look like this beautiful green, lush jungle.
All the grass was freehand, and you can make it look as weird and wonderful as you want. Have fun! Well, you don't have to worry about matching our paint colors or brand exactly. Be creative! Make sure to use flat latex paint because it dries faster and covers more evenly. You can find paint colors, supplies, and instructions online at group.com/VBS tools. Click on Decorating. We're adding swirls and shading to our greenery. To make it stand up, we're hot gluing it to boxes. To add more depth to our foliage, we're gluing an extra layer of leaves separated by some scrap foam. We're going to start the day making some colorful, wonderful, wacky, wild, and weird flowers. These are easy to make out of recycled cardboard, foam, and plastic water trays. You can find the pattern for the flower petals online. Make sure you cut out 4 petals for each flower. You can make the flowers any size to fit your space. Bruce is going to tell us how to put it all together.
So what we've done is we've glued our flowers together, flower petals together. I've cut the 2-inch foam in round discs that match the bottom of our water tray. And then what we do is you just take it and I kind of just push it on and then I kind of just twist a little bit. Get that foam all over the place. Then I'll just take a gallon can, put it on top, walk away for about 20 minutes. You're gonna come back, you're ready to start painting your flower.